Students, today we are going to learn about algorithm. First of all, what is algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step sequence of logical instructions that produce output based on the given input. It is a pseudocode. Algorithm is also known as a pseudocode. What does the pseudocode mean? Pseudo means false. It is not a programming language. It is just a sequence. It is just the steps for writing a programming language. Next, we'll come to characteristics of good algorithm. There are 6 characteristics of good algorithm. Input. The algorithm accepts an input. You should give input while writing an algorithm, and you will get an output for that. Precision. Each step of an algorithm must be precisely defined, means it should be clearly written. Uniqueness. For each and every input you are feeding, you will get an unique output for that. Finiteness. Your algorithm should not be very long. You should stop it in a definite number. Effectiveness. Your algorithm should be flexible, effective, so that you can change your steps according to your need. Next, come to steps to develop an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step process, so remember to give the statements. Statement means step numbers, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. That is very important while writing an algorithm. Always begin an algorithm with keyword start. Now your number 1 will be start. Step number 1 should be start and end it with the keyword stop. Your first and last step should be start and stop. Mention the steps clearly. Don't make mistake while writing steps, number of steps. Next is advantage of algorithm. It is easy to understand. As I have already told you, it is not a programming language. It is a simple English language which is understandable to everyone. It is not so tough. You can understand. It is independent of any computer programming language. It can be modified. You can modify the steps whatever you have written on your algorithm. Now come to disadvantage of an algorithm. Writing an algorithm is a time consuming process. As you are writing many steps, okay, it will consume your time. It is time consuming. And also an algorithm is not a computer program. It is a concept of how a program should be solved. As I have already told you, it is a pseudo program. Algorithm is a pseudo program, so it is not a computer program. It is just a steps for solving your problems. Let's look at the example for adding two numbers. Develop an algorithm to add two numbers. Start. Step number one is start. As I have already told you, each and every algorithm will start with this keyword, start keyword. Okay. And steps are written very clearly. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. Step 2 is accept first number A. Step 3 is accept second number B. And step 4, add two numbers A and B and store the value in a variable named C. Then step number 4 is you will add this two number. You are giving an instruction for adding this two number. Next, we'll come to print the value stored in variable C. This is the output whatever you are getting. Okay, whatever input you are feeding, you will get an output in variable C. And your last step, as I have already mentioned, it should be stop.